In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a navbar sticky and framer step by step in a simple and reliable way. If you're building a website and you want your navigation to stay visible as people scroll, this is one of the easiest changes you can make. A sticky navbar helps with usability, looks more professional, and makes it easier for visitors to move around your site without scrolling all the way back to the top. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick framer tutorials. Now let's jump into it. First, open your Framer project. Make sure you're inside the page where your navbar is already created. If you haven't built the navbar yet, you'll want to select the header or navigation container that you want to keep fixed on the screen. This is the key step because you need to apply the sticky behavior to the actual navbar element, not to a random text layer or child item inside it. Once your navbar is selected, go over to the position settings in Framer. Here, set the position to Fixed. This tells Framer that the navbar should stay locked in place instead of moving with the rest of the page content. After that, set the top value to 0. This pins the navbar to the very top of the browser window. Then set the left value to 0 as well, so it stays aligned perfectly with the left edge of the page. Next, set the width to 100%. This is really important because a fixed navbar can sometimes shrink or lose its full width layout if the width isn't defined properly. By making it 100%, your navbar stretches across the screen the way a standard top navigation bar should. If your design uses a centered container inside the navbar, you can still keep that inner content aligned nicely while the outer wrapper stays full width. At this point, your navbar should already behave like a sticky header. But before you move on, take a moment to preview your page and scroll down to confirm that the navbar stays visible at the top. If it looks off, double check that you selected the correct layer and that the top, left, and width settings were applied to the main navbar container. If your navbar overlaps with other elements, you may also need to adjust the stacking order or add spacing to your page content so nothing gets hidden behind it. A fixed navbar sits on top of the page, so making sure your hero section or first content block has enough top spacing can help the layout feel cleaner. This is a small detail, but it makes a big difference in the final result. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing is the final step that pushes your sticky navbar changes live on your Framer site. After the site is published, test it again in the live version to make sure the navbar stays fixed properly on scroll and works across different screen sizes. And that's it. You've successfully made your navbar sticky and Framer. It only takes a few settings, but it can seriously improve the usability and polish of your website. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Framer tips, website design tutorials, and easy no-code walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.